Hello guys, good morning. Today I want to show you the prerequisites required to start web development. So as of now, uh, we need a browser. So we are using Chrome, and we need a code editor. We are using VS Code, and we need a compiler and an interpreter to run JavaScript in our local machine. So we are installing Node.js. So let us see the detailed download process and all these things. Actually, Edge browser, we are going to download Chrome. So we can see this is the first link we came up with. Click on download now, and it will be downloaded. So yeah, it is downloaded. In the meanwhile, we'll download other things. So we need VS Code. So we are downloading for Windows. So mine is Windows PC, so I'm downloading Windows. If it is Linux, I'll recommend you to use command line by downloading, extracting the zip file. It's a long process, so it's better to go with the command line. Terminal. Okay, now we'll go to Node.js. So we went to Node.js. So we this is the link. So we go to downloads. So here I want to discuss about some things. So we can see this is the Node.js, and this is the version. So we can see this is the latest version, but we are going with this thing as it is LTS, long term support. So we are going with LTS. So here it is a PowerShell command line. So it's where so we'll go with beginner friendly download method. So click on the Node.js icon. Then we are coming up with Node.js. So it is an LTS. We can see 20.4.1, or else you need the latest version. You can get this. So we'll download this thing. We need an LTS, right? So you can see it is downloaded. Now we will once install it. So this is the Node.js. So we'll click next, accept, uh, and after that, uh, don't change the file path. If it is in C, let it be in C. Okay. So now after that, install. So if you want, we can click additional packages. So if you don't want, we can leave it. So let it install. Yeah guys, the node has been installed. Now we will check the version of the node. So we can see we are getting 20.14.0. This is the version that we have downloaded. So node is working properly. So now we'll install Chrome. So in the meanwhile, I have already downloaded VS Code. So we'll install this. I'll explain you the process. So accept the terms. Click continue. Next. So the same path thing. So let it be there. That's fine. So if you want a desktop icon, you can click it. The path automatically the path and everything, it will automatically adjust. Click on next. So Chrome has been opened. Click don't sign in. So now I'll show you how to use JavaScript here. click on inspect. Now we came up with this. Go to console. Here we can perform JavaScript operations. 2 plus 2 is obviously 2 plus 4 is 6, right? 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and we can print statements by this. So it's giving the, so here JavaScript can run on Chrome. So basically browsers are designed to run JavaScript. So this is what I want to show. So we can see if we click alert, then a pop-up will appear. You can see this pop-up. So this is how we can run JavaScript in Chrome browser. Now I'll show you how to run it in VS Code. So you have to select a file. So here I am selecting this thing. Now I'll click CMD. If we click code dot here, then JavaScript will open up here. As of now, you can see like this. So we can click create folders from here, and we can create file in this. Okay. So we have installed Node.js. We know. So now we need some extensions. So the extensions are ES7. So download this thing. ES7 React Redux and I think Code Runner. So download these two extensions. Then it will give snippets. So we can say the snippet is given by ES7 extension, and Code Runner allows you to run the code. So we can run here. So as of now, it's showing an error, but so I'll execute a line and I'll show you function. Uh, so here name is a reserved keyword in JavaScript we shouldn't use, but we are using for demonstration purposes. So if you click here, we are getting 7. So if you want to run, actually there is a different process. So if you don't have a code runner, then you have to click, have to open code runner, and we have to click node file.js. Sorry guys, it's here. We have to go to folder. So here we have to click node file.js. So now we got 7. Yeah, basically that's what I want to say. And if you want to change anything, we can go to settings here. So okay, we can go to settings here. So we can see we can change the font. So we can change the font size, font size we can change here, weight, like bold. We can change the, okay, we can see in your free time you can go and change, and we can change the themes here. Clear, right? So I kept this theme, but we can change. So so basically this is it guys.